Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and your product key ready. Once that's confirmed, open an elevated command prompt. Type slmgr/dli to check the current license state and edition so you know what to change. If you have a digital license, note that online activation will pair your hardware. If you have a key, keep it accessible. Now that the environment is ready and you're in admin CMD, prepare to enter the activation command step by step. You'll install the key by running slmgr/ipk followed by your 25-character key. This binds the key to the system. Once installed, run slmgr/dlv to display detailed license information so you can verify the key registered correctly. Make sure your machine is online, then run slmgr/auto to trigger online activation. If activation succeeds, you'll see a confirmation dialog. If it doesn't, no. Once done, confirm permanent activation with slmgr/xbr or by opening Settings System Activation to see the status. If your offline or online activation fails, run slu4 to start phone activation and follow the prompts provided. This is useful when network activation is blocked. Make sure to record any error codes. One key troubleshooting tip. If slmgr/auto fails, run the activation troubleshooter in settings. This often repairs common licensing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.